Hey everybody, Tony here at Knee High Farms bringing you a special report video of our Snowmageddon surprise snowstorm we got here at the homestead this morning and last night. You're going to see me walking the property and showing you the damage, and then you're going to see the cleanup afterwards and the results thereof. So stay tuned for this special video, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Alright folks, I'm hearing trees crackling behind us here. Wish I would have caught that on camera. But definitely a tree falling in the behind us here. Nothing in our immediate danger. But yeah. Living out here on PL Hills, you're gonna get a lot of snowfall when it gets cold. Gotta work from home today, but can't be driving in this crap. But only concern is we have no power, and it's been that way since midnight. But yeah, you can see it's a respectable depth. We'll take a walk down the road here a little bit, kind of just talk to you about things. So, a couple of personal things that have been going on. I have been working in aerospace since 2014, and I'm not going to name any names of any companies because I'm still currently employed with one and about to go to another. Look at that tree. Pretty heavily weighed down with snow, huh? But I'm about to change positions again. I'm going to be going back to where my aerospace experience started to begin with. So I'm excited for that opportunity. The only risk is it's not a full-time opportunity, it's a contract position. So there is risks involved that I may not get rehired or could get terminated at any time. I don't anticipate any of that. Oh, wow, look at this. Yeah, that's gonna have to be dealt with. We can't drive through this. Yeah, look at that. I mean, we could drive through it, but yeah. Oh, well, or I just help it along with the snow. There you are. We just need some weight help. Yeah, ta-da, fixed. Oh, shit. Now, this might be more of a problem. Coming up here, I see a tree way over the road. I don't think I can fix this. Oh, brother. But even if I wanted to go into work, I couldn't. Look at this. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That's over the road, folks. Oh, you can see where it's split. There's your split. And with no working chainsaw, this will be interesting. Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. There's more damage. Holy shit, folks. Look at this tree down in the road. Oh my God. Yeah, this is this snowfall really got us. It started real light and it just got real heavy. And I think the weight of the snow just completely demolished our trees. Look at that. Yeah, so we can't get out of the driveway if we want to. I don't even know if I can move this tree on my own. Oh, hell no. That thing is solid heavy. Well, shit. And we're not even past the trails. There's Gentleman's Pass over there. Yeah, this really kicked our ass. But anyways, going back to what I was talking about with work, I'm a little sad to leave where I've been for the last 2 years and 4 months. You know, it's definitely been a cool learning experience with learning a certain different aspect of aerospace, which let you know, I've been in the supply chain part of it for the last 2 years and 4 months. And so, you know, you learn a lot. You know, you learn about how people request demand and how you process it and how you create PRs and POs and manage them. And it's basically a glorified customer service job, you know. Now look at the yellow. You can't see it on the camera, but we got some discolored snow here. You know, I'm thankful for the skills that I've learned, but I'm also excited to go back to where it started and learn a new skill there. So this will all start in about a month. So anyways, oh, there's some bent over tree here. Yeah, this is insane. So we have 2 or 3 down trees. Wow. Cool thing is about the power company out here is they're very engaged, and they're very what do I want to say? The word. They're on it. You know, Lewis County PUD, I give a shout out to them. Thank you for all that you've done for us with the few power outages we have had since we've been here since 2020. When they hear of an outage, they're on it pretty quick. It's just this one, you know, it happened in the middle of the night. People were probably asleep. Nobody called in. I submitted a report about 5:30 this morning, and an hour later I got a call from them saying they're headed our way to diagnose the problem. Anyways, let's head back. But yeah, just wanted to walk in the snow and show you the aftermath. Hopefully we can get one of our chainsaws to work so we can at least cut some of this away, or else we're not going to be able to get out of our driveway. Oh boy, lovely. And you probably may or may not be able to hear it, but it's starting to melt. I can hear it melting as we walk. But yeah. Anyways, back to the main issue here. Probably gonna have to get my truck, tie a chain to it, tie a chain to this, and just yank it out of the way. Probably the best course for this one. And up here, I don't know about this one. Maybe the same thing. Maybe I can get the truck, tie a chain to it, and see if we can yank it out of there. I don't know though, my truck doesn't have great traction in the snow. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny is my father-in-law had his nephew out to cut trees. Maybe we should have cut that one too, huh? Oh well. Anyways. we got 3 different trees to get out of the way. Anyways, I will post this special report Snowmageddon video on my channel by well, within the next 24 to 48 hours. So by the time you guys see it, a lot of this aftermath will be cleaned up, and hopefully a lot of the snow will be melted away. But that's what we deal with out here, living in the deep dark woods on 700 feet elevation. But isn't it pretty? I mean, look at that. Look at the beautiful trees with the snow on them. Looks like sugar coated trees. But yeah, I'll get this posted to you folks, and then stay tuned. And probably we're in the middle of February, so sometime between now and before I start my new job, I'm going to be posting a work video here at the homestead, which, guess what, it'll probably be having to do with processing wood since we have more of it. But yeah, anyways, our shop. Oh, somebody's burning wood. Guess my wife is awake. Alright, folks. I think we're going to sign off as I leave you this backdrop. So just to recap, we had a freak snowstorm last night. It lasted about 12 hours. Aftermath, 3 fallen trees, 5 inches of snow. Fun times. Oh, and no power. Hey everybody, just wanted to give you an update on the cleaning efforts of our Snowmageddon surprise snowstorm we got last night. So earlier I showed you, as we were walking down this road, some trees that were down. Now we're going to show you the cleanup efforts. I am joined by my dog sidekick Blitzer. Only problem is, look at the big potholes, man. Big potholes now. Anyways, it's just wet and muddy and gross. But yeah, that was quite the cleanup effort, courtesy of my son Anthony and my father-in-law. We can now traverse the road and get in and out and survive. We won't be stuck and starve to death and die because we can't leave our driveway. Anyways, so here's a little bit of that tree that was hanging over the shed over here, remember? And there's still some hanging over the shed. Look, see? A little bit, but it's definitely out of the road. So, but yeah, look at that stuff. Look at that stuff. Yeah, look at that, huh? Oh yeah, good stuff. Yeah, it's just really muddy and wet here. Wow. It's like the snow turned into mud. Anyways. And then here, remember here, we have the tree down here. So now we've cut it and pushed it to the side. Yeah, look at that split on that, man. That's pretty gnarly. But it's out of the road. And yeah. And you know, I'll do a video of Coyote Canyon because I heard some crashing up there. I was trying to catch it on video earlier, but I didn't see anything. But yeah, we got some nice melt off. And we're looking pretty good. Pretty good. I'm just going to walk a little bit further, then I'll do a zoom in and kind of show you. Because there was some limbs down here. Matter of fact, you're going to see it right here. Yeah, see that right there? That was cut from that. Because if you remember earlier, it was hanging over the road. So yeah, that's been taken care of. And yeah, the rest of the road is clear. Noise. I heard something. Anyways, we'll walk to the sticks and then we'll turn around. But hopefully no more snow. I don't want any more. I'm sick of it. You know, it's funny, this is the El Nino year, by the way. We're supposed to get little or no snow. Well, we've had 2 snowfalls already. And we still have about a month and a half where we can get more. So, who knows? But yeah, anyways, I am going to officially sign off. Thank you for joining me today on this Snowmageddon special update. And we'll be seeing you soon.